Okay, welcome back to this daily dose of mathematics. In the last class, what you have studied is a sine rule. If this is a triangle, a rectangle A, B, and C, and the opposite sides are small a, small b, and small c, then the sine rule will be A divided by sine A equal to B divided by sine B is equal to C divided by sine C. Okay. Now we are going to study what is a cosine rule. The cosine rule will be, okay, this is the cosine rule, sorry. The cosine rule. The cosine rule will be, since you see this diagram here, so the cosine will be a square will be equal to what, b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. This one is the a square. Then what is b square? B square will be a square plus c square minus 2ca cos b. Okay, then c square will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Okay, this is the cosine rule. Next we are going to study, I'm going to give you the what, table of angles. Okay, I'm going to give you the table of angles, so you need to remember all these angles so that it will be very helpful to you in future while doing this problem. Okay, now these are okay, I'm going to give you in letter, but now you will discover something else in trigonometry. Okay, in the last class what we have studied is, I will give you one, what I have given you. I have given you sine a plus b formula I have given you, and what is sine a minus b also I have given you. Similarly, what is cos a plus b I have given you, and what is cos a minus b I have given you. Okay, this is the formula that I have given. What is sine a plus b? Sine a plus b is nothing but sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Similarly, sine a into cos b, but here it is going to be minus cos a into sine b. Okay, next cos a into cos b minus sine a into sine b. Similarly, cos a into cos b plus sine a into sine b. Now what I'm going to do is, what if we are going to add this sine a and sine b? So sine a plus b and sine a minus b. So if you are going to add the sine a plus b and sine a minus b, things will change. Let's see what is happening. Okay, you see here sine a plus b and sine a minus b. What is sine a plus b? You see here, this is the formula, sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b, and this one will be sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b. If we will add these two, যদি আমি মিশাইবা দুইটাକୁ, মিশাইলে কোন আসিব? মিশাইলে দেখো এটা কোন হবো, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. है sin a plus b plus sin a minus b will be equal to what? Cos cos कट जीवो है, कैन एटा प्लस cos a cos into sin b, एटा माइनस cos a मिसे देले एटा कोन हबो sin a plus sin a into cos b plus sin A into cos B. So it is going to be 2 sin A into cos B. So this is the one of the formula that we have derived. Okay. Next, what if we are going to difference, means so subtraction kariba, to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Jodi kole eta kon jibo, this will be minus and this is going to be plus because minus minus plus. So sin A cos B minus sin A cos B dita cancel he jibo aw e dita kon habo, e dita kon habo misi jibo, misi gole 2 cos A into sin B asibo. So the answer will be 2 cos A into sin B. Okay, this is another formula. Remember this formula. Okay, so sometimes the next कौन करा जिवो ए cos A plus B और cos A minus B को हमें टेस्टिंग कर देखिए, बुझिगला। तो एठी देखो cos A plus B, एठी देखो cos A plus B will be cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Okay, and this is cos A minus B. So जदि दिरा मिसेबा बर्तमान तमे एटा को देखो ना, जदि दिरा मिसेबा कोन आछी, this will be equal to how much? Now you see only these two. Okay, only if you see these two, then this will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B will be cos A into cos B. এটা দিটা কটি যাব, এটা কটি যাব ହେଲା, কটি গলে খালি এ দুইটা বলকা রহব, but this will be the same কারণ cos A cos A cos B cos B cos A into cos B plus cos A into cos B. So it is going to be 2 cos A into cos B. So here it is going to be 2 cos A into cos B. This is the formula. Okay, now we are done with this one. Next what happens? Similarly, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Today minus koriba, so this is going to be minus, this is going to be minus. Okay, so this one will be cancel out each other. So this term will be minus 2 sin A into sin B. So it is going to be minus 2 sin A into sin B. Okay, so it is going to be, this is the formula that we derived. देखो ହେଲା, जदि cos A plus B minus cos A minus B थिले minus 2 sin A into cos sin B, जदि cos A plus B plus cos A minus B थिले 2 cos A into cos B, बुझिला। सेपरी sin A plus B plus sin A minus B थिले कौन 2 sin A into cos B, sin A plus B minus एटा थिले 2 cos A into sin B. ओके, तो वर्तमान देखो हमें